Alright, what's up, y'all? I'm out here in Tropical Storm Cindy, whatever the name is, mowing yards. Coming due on right now. It's really wet out here still. It rained all night and all day yesterday. So I didn't bring the X Mark, left the X Mark home. It's a pretty heavy mower. And we just brought the snapper out. It's got the side discharge on it, so we can just keep these grass cuts. We learned a couple of weeks ago we can't skip them because they just get bad. And there's too many of them to try to catch up, and a lot of them just get skipped. So we're out mowing what we can mow, with the small mower. The smaller yards are getting mowed today, and hopefully it dries up because it doesn't look like we're gonna get much more rain. There's a lot of dry air in the storm, so we're getting some dry patches in it. So hopefully we'll get this mowed and it looks nice. I'm not gonna be out here trying to stripe it or anything. We're just gonna be cutting it down, getting it cut, getting it cleaned up so it doesn't get out of hand. Because we got a lot of rain this week, and if we don't mow in between the rain like this, we'll never get caught up. So we get this done, and I'll check in with you.
Morning Show, weekdays 5 to 9 a.m. KMEZ, Port Sulphur, New Orleans. Old School 106.7, a Cuban station.